POE, it is the last week. Alrighty, week 8, May 18th, you've made it. So, my apologies for my hair. When you can't go to your stylist for, 8 weeks, this is what happens. It starts to look raggedy, but that's where we are now. Speaking of where we are now, this is what you will be doing this week, okay? Zooming to show ballistic devices slash best virtual bridges, and zooming to take the final together. All right. So of course, with these things, what I would need you to do is tell me if you're interested, and then we talk about some times we might be able to do this. All right. I hope that some of you have been able to create some ballistic devices. I mean, that would be really cool. So it's just something that's launching, a thing. I really hope that some of you have been working on your virtual bridges. I know you guys really enjoyed that the days I had surgery in March, and yeah, this is just a continuation of that. I hope you've been able to work on that. That'd be really cool. Yeah, I had that assignment last week. Find it on Google Classroom. It's going to be under classwork and like 2.4 virtual bridges. Okay, so that'll tell you how to download it and all that stuff. All right, but back to where we were. So yeah, if you've created those things and you want to share them with your classmates and me, I would love that. Just email me, okay, about that. You've got my email through, our classroom. You can just go here and you can find my email like on here somewhere. All right. Well, it's somewhere on here. Okay. People, that's the way you find it. Anyway, so back to here. Whoops. Besides zooming to show that, I had an idea that we could zoom take the final together. So there's, we got through 3/4 of the content for the year. Actually, we probably got more. We got through more like close to like 4/5, but yeah, somewhere between there. And I thought it would be kind of fun if you're interested to. I'll open up a Zoom session. I'll share my screen, and that'll have the final on it, and then you guys could actually be trying to, as a team, solve each problem as we go. Okay. So again, optional thing. Just email me when you'd be interested with that. Okay. So that's about it. It's been a very interesting year. Really enjoyed the projects we got to do together, guys, this year. That was great stuff. Yeah, I hope that you'll take some things from POE with you from this experience. Anyway, definitely reach out to me if you ever need anything or want anything. You can reach me at the school email address you have for the foreseeable future. And hope to hear from y'all. Hope you guys have a wonderful summer. Stay safe, and looking forward to seeing a lot of you back next year. We do wish our best to Haas and Brandon, who probably won't even check out this video because they are done. Seniors finish early. So that is about it. Yeah. Yep. All right. So just let me know. Y'all, hopefully see some of you in my robotics class. Think about taking the robotics class. I'd love to have more like IED and POE, we'll say graduates in that class. Actually, I'm trying to get it so that you have to take IED first, but at this point, that's not true. But I'd love to see some of you in the robotics class because it's good stuff. So that's it. All right. Bye, y'all.